Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Colony. Today I'll be making bread pudding and I hope you have been enjoying what I've been presenting to you so far. And on this channel I try to find creative ways in which we can prepare and enjoy the meals that we're so accustomed to. I try to do that so that it suits different palates. But it is still yummy, it's still tasty, and a quick and easy way to do it also. I'd like to thank my subscribers and my viewers for supporting my channel. It is really appreciated. Bread pudding is another loved pudding back home. It is made from stale bread. When our parents had those end pieces that were not used, instead of wasting it, they would use it to make a pudding. Now today I'll be using fruit bread for my bread pudding, and I'll be adding some more fruits. That's my preference. Now for this bread pudding you need some bread. Any bread can do, but I'm using fruit bread and it has to be stale. Then over here I'll be using some double cream and a cup and a half of any other milk. Over here we have our flavorings. We have cinnamon, nutmeg and allspice, plus we have some almond extract, and over here we have vanilla. Below we have some fruit. Even though it's a fruit bread, I'll be using some raisin, currant and some cherries and some other fruits. You don't have to, but I just want to add some more fruits to mine. Then here I'm using a cup of sugar, some butter, 3 eggs and some lemon. This is optional, but I want a flavor, so I'm looking for the lemon flavor. Now it's time to cut off bread or break it. In my case, I'm going to break it, and your bread must be stale, or if it's fresh, you're going to end up with a mushy pudding. Now you don't want that. So if you buy the fresh bread, put it in the oven for a while so that it dries out most of the moisture. Now it's time to make our custard. So in my bowl, I've melted 3 tablespoons of butter. Normally my mother would butter the bread slices and then, we don't need to do this part, but I've melted mine. A cup and a half of milk. 300 milliliter double cream. 3 eggs. Now you add a cup of sugar. Now if you're not going to do it the way I do it, use a cup and a half. Now we blend. One teaspoon ground cinnamon, teaspoon nutmeg, half teaspoon mixed spice, half teaspoon of almond extract, and a tablespoon vanilla. Or lemon zest. Now we grease our dish generously. You have to grease it generously, yeah? Because we cannot use flour. Well, I don't use flour. Now we're going to put our bread pieces in the custard, allowing it to soak up. Because it's dry, it will soak up a lot of the liquid. Now this is what I normally add. 2 tablespoons of rum. We're going to leave it for about 10 minutes so that it absorbs most of the liquid. Then we'll put it in our pan for baking. Now I'm going to preheat my oven. Now it's time to go in the baking tin. Let's get ready. My first layer, I add my fruits, my first layer. And then the other half cup of sugar is mixed with cinnamon, and then I sprinkle it. So when it bakes, you'll have this caramel in the middle. I'll finish up with the rest of the fruit. Now for your cinnamon sugar. Adding a few cherries on the top. Now we're going to place it in a 150 preheated oven for 45 minutes, which is 300 Fahrenheit. And it depends on your oven too. You know how hot your oven gets, so you can increase or decrease the temperature. Because of the sugar and the fruits on top, I'm going to cover it for about half an hour and then take it off in the last 15 minutes to bake without it. Last 15 minutes, I'm going to remove the foil. Allow the pudding to cool properly before cutting. Now here you have it, delicious fruity bread pudding. You may serve it by itself, or you may eat it with ice cream or any other cream. In my case, I've served it with a strawberry compote. Enjoy. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please remember to give me a thumbs up, as this helps to promote my video to others, and also it helps to grow my channel. Thank you very much again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.